We have ourselves some weather here on a Monday morning as we all try to get back into the grind, school, work, etc. Rain for the most part, wind too, but way up north there is some wet snow. Now the rain snow line has been shoved north of Route 2, so it's now basically in the mountains and across the far north. But in these areas, the roads will be tricky with snow-covered and slushy spots. Elsewhere, there could be a few sleet pellets in some of these heavier downpours. Like was the case here along the mid-coast. We're getting some of the heavier returns, some yellows and oranges in there. It's very gusty, and this rain is being wind-swept, especially along the coastline. We just gusted over 40 in Portland, and there are outages. I just checked CMP. There's over 5,000. Specifically, York, the town of, and Falmouth are getting hit hard with over 1,000 outages in each of those communities. So some of you are going to lose power this morning because of this fast-moving system. I mean, it's going to race on through. By mid-morning, we're already getting improvements. Behind it, getting cold again. Later this afternoon, that wind will drive in the chill, and we'll see our temperatures slide all night long. Next couple of days, we'll struggle. So it's a bit wild, as I mentioned, windswept rain and mountain snow, but it flies through and it's already going to be tapering off by 9 a.m. across the far south. Please be careful early part of this commute for hydroplaning. Still a lot of wet leaves on roads, and then up in the mountains, they'll be slushy or snowy. Midday, it's partly sunny. It's still windy. Winds are coming in out of the west at this point. And at first, it's going to be pretty warm with temperatures hitting about 50 degrees. But then that wind brings in the chill, and while it dries out and it's a lot nicer for the afternoon and evening, and the roads will be pretty fine, you can see those temperatures start sliding as that breeze adds a little chill to the air. The snow, I'm thinking 1 to 3 north of Route 2, the highest elevations, and right along the Canadian border, 3 to 6 inches, and a lot of that falls in the next few hours. Tomorrow's cold, so is Wednesday, but both days are pretty quiet, partly sunny. Temperatures struggling, only in the 30s. And then on Thursday, a warm front will slip through. We could see a flurry Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Turns milder, though, for the afternoon and for the second half of the week, with high temperatures once again getting up into the mid-40s. I'll be watching to see if we get some phasing between the northern branch of the jet stream and the southern one. The northern branch will come through here Friday night with some rain showers. If it does link up with the southern branch, this could be a larger storm and a lot more rain out of it. For now, it doesn't look like they're completely coming together, but we'll keep a close eye on it for the end of the week. The rest of the time, though, we're storm-free after these first few hours of the morning, and they're going to be pretty wild with winds gusting out of the south, 50 knots or higher out in the open water. Seas 9 to 13 feet. They'll subside a little bit this afternoon. Here's the 7-day forecast. Rain and wind this morning, and then partly sunny and breezy this afternoon. It will hit about 50 degrees for highs, and then we'll get colder this evening. And you can see tomorrow, you can see Wednesday, highs in the mid-30s, overnight lows around 20. We do start to warm things back up, though, for the second half of the week. Mid-40s on Thursday and Friday, with some rain showers possible Friday afternoon and Friday night. Right now, next weekend, pretty solid. Highs in the 40s. That's an important day. That's our Coats and Toys for Kids Day.
Sure, on Saturday. Yeah, lots more details about all that coming up throughout the week. So,
cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.